Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial, and today we will be doing another DIY press on nails tutorial, and this one was requested by one of my lovely subscribers, so I did my own recreation on it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's very simple, very easy, and fast to do. I will have everything linked down below, and I hope you guys enjoy. Once again, thank you so much for all the love and support, and to all my subscribers. Here I'm just picking out my full cover nail tips that I will have listed down below. Then I just buff out the nails, and after I begin the tutorial. Today I'm using the Gershion base coat as an adhesive to place all my butterflies in, and then I just cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, and you guys here will see the process of me doing so. I'm applying the base coat from Gershion once again, and I'm using this to apply my glitter, and then I'm just curing it under the UV lamp, and it turned out beautiful. I had never tried this method before. It was my first time, and I definitely loved the way it came out. I only had to do them once, and they came out so stunning, as you guys can see. And then I'm just applying the Astound Beauty top coat on the rest of the nails. here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.